I've been putting this off, headlining. Sooner or later I've got to tackle this roof. There's the back window. So this is the left hand side. And this was already missing when I bought it. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hoops and then the windscreen. And the only section of headlining that was in was these 3 sections here. And this is what they were like. And I've been putting it off. But really I should have stripped this out ages ago. But on these hoops there's only 1 screw on each hoop. And I've loosened all those. I had to put some heat on it, but I couldn't really heat those because of all the cloth. But that one, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th hoop has got 2 screws in it. And all the others just have 1. So I wonder if that's sort of like the central one that stays straight. Let's have a look at the other side. Yeah, there's 2 in that one as well. And just 1 in all the others. So my guess is that's the one that you pull from. Keep that one straight. And the others just sort of end up wherever they end up. So I try and get all this out as best I can and see where we are. That's all the screws loose, and I've numbered them because I think they're all going to be different. So number 1 at the back, and this is partly for my help, and this is, most of them have just got 1 screw in, so this is in the top hole. So starting from number 1 the back, top hole, number 2 top, number 3 top, number 4 has 2 screws, number 5 has 1 screw at the bottom, number 6 1 screw at the bottom, and on the other side we have, that back one is an unknown, 2 is top, 3 I think is top. Sorry, let's start again. Number 1, don't know. Number 2, top. Number 3, I think is top. Number 4, that says 2 on there, that's 2 screws. That one, which is number 5, has bottom screw, and the front one 2 screws. And I had to put a bit of heat on there, and I didn't film it in case I set on fire because there's a lot of fabric and a lot of tarry stuff. But some oxyacetylene on those screws and they're all loose. So I think I can take that out. These are the hoops, or the bows, positions. So back window, and this is the length of cloth I'm going to need roughly. Well, this one's roughly anyway. So back window here, 16, 8, 7 3/4, 11, 10.5, 9 and 8 inches. And as best as I can measure, the straightest part of the hoop is 42. And that seems to be fairly constant. And I've got, these are the side bits I took out. This one's pretty much disappeared. And this one, not really any better. I've got somebody's name there. try and decipher that later. That'd be interesting. So got all the bows out. And on the back again. And we've got this sort of felt stuff, Hessian backed. And it looks like it was glued on with this black tarry stuff, but that's failed. But the hoops have been holding it up, and where the hoops are, it's stuck. So a nice job now of scraping and cleaning. Small change of plan to the numbering system. I numbered them from the back with the crossed out numbers. I've changed it from the other way, so number 1 is the front one. And I actually found out that these are actually numbered. And I didn't see it because they were so badly pitted and corroded. I didn't see it till I got to, I think, number 3, which is quite a deep one. So there's number 5. No, that's number 4, 5 and 6. So they're obviously different lengths and they go back in different places. I've looked at trying to measure the distance on the cloth, which doesn't really work because it's so stretchy. You can make it any length you like, really.